Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're working on Module 2, Lesson 23. Let's look at our objective. Okay, our objective is to solve add to with change unknown problems relating varied addition and subtraction strategies. So basically we're going to solve word problems and use different strategies to solve them. Okay? So here's our first problem. In the morning, there were 8 leaves on the floor under the fiscus tree. During the day, more leaves fell on the floor. Now there are 13 leaves on the floor. How many leaves fell during the day? So what's the first thing we should do? If you remember from yesterday, we started by reading a problem, and then we drew a drawing, and then at the end we wrote our answer out in a sentence. So here's our picture. We have 3, 6, we have 8, and then we have more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So 8 plus, 4, I guess we'll do this first. So this is how many fell in our day. We'll label our picture. This is how many fell in the morning. 8 fell in the morning and 5 more fell in the day. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. That's the total number of leaves that fell. So to solve that type of problem, there's a couple different ways. We could start at 8 and we could count on until we got to 13. So we could say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and count up. We could draw 13 and then cover or take away 8 of them. That's another strategy we could use. We could draw 13 as 10 and 3 more. So we could draw a group of 10 and then a group of 3. And we can quickly cover the 8 from the 10 without having to recount them. So that would be a quicker strategy we could use. Once we solve the problem, we have to write our number sentence and our statement. Which number sentence best matches what happens in the story? This is our number sentence that matches best. 8 plus 5 equals 13 because it shows that there were 8 leaves in the morning and then 5 leaves joined the pile. There were 13 leaves at the end. The part we did not know was 5. We didn't know how many more fell. But we knew that we had 13 in the end and that we started with 8 in the morning that fell. So 5 was our answer. And our statement or sentence is 5 leaves fell during the day. All right, let's look at another problem. 8 children were playing on the playground. More children came out to join the 8 children. Now there are 14 children on the playground. How many children came out to join them on the playground? So we know that there were 8 children that were playing. More came out to join them, and now there are 14 children. So we could start by drawing 14 circles on our board as our picture. So I'm going to draw 14. You guys can go ahead and do that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I've got my 14 here. Did you draw your 14 circles? Draw your 14 circles. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. I want you guys to do this with me. Now 8, we're going to find 8 and we're going to circle 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And these 8 are on the playground. Playground. So this is how many joined. So I'm going to write joined. You can kind of choose what you want to label your picture as. It just has to make sense in the word problem. And this is how many joined. So we had 8. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we had 14 altogether. So 6 is how many joined. So we're going to say 6 kids joined. Period. And we have solved our problem. Okay, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to go on to the next question. Tried to make sure you guys had enough time. Okay, so we can show this by we have 8 and we have the rest. These are the playground. This is who joined. We had 6 that joined. 6 children came out to join them. It's a new problem. Some new baby ducks hatched at the farm. There were 5 ducks on the farm, and now there are 12 ducks. How many new ducks were hatched? How many new baby ducks were hatched? Okay, so we have the total of 12. So what should we do? We should draw 12 circles to start, and then circle a group of 5. Okay, draw 12 circles and circle a group of 5. 12 circles. Go ahead, draw your 12 circles on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 12? 12 circles. And 5 were there. There were 5 ducks. These were the ducks. And the rest are the baby ducks. Baby ducks. We'll probably even just write baby if you wanted. So we have how many here? 5. And how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that total was 12, if you remember. So this is how many there are 7 baby ducks. Remember to write your period at the end of your sentence. Capitalize the first letter of the sentence. So there are 7 baby ducks. All right. Look at our next one. Okay, so we have 5. Here's our group of 5. And then these are the rest of them. Oh, baby ducks that hatched. We said baby ducks, that's fine. They said baby ducks that hatched. 7 is how many hatched. 7 ducks were hatched. Very good. Last problem. 13 cars are in the parking lot. 6 were already there in the morning. The rest of the cars arrived after lunch. So we have some that are in the morning and some after lunch. How many cars arrived after lunch? So we have 13 cars in total. So how many circles are we going to draw? 13. And then we're going to circle our group of 6 who were there in the morning. So 13 cars and 6 were there in the morning. Go ahead and draw 13 cars, 13 circles. 13 cars, 6 were there in the morning. We're going to circle a group of 6. There in the morning. And the rest came, when did they come? Do you remember? After lunch. So I'm going to say after lunch. Okay? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. 6 plus 7 equals 13. And 7 is how many came after lunch. So 7 cars came after lunch. Period. We have this many in the morning, 6 in the morning, 7 after lunch. So we have a total of 13 cars. 7 cars came after lunch. Okay, now you're going to head over to your Google form and you're going to get started on today's work. Thanks for working with me today. I'll see you guys later. Bye!